Hey there everyone, I'm Roshni, finally a medical student from IPGMER Kolkata, and I welcome you back to my channel. So like every other year where I make a video on how that particular year of my MBBS was and finally what I learned from it, this video is kind of same. Before I go further into the video, it's my request that please subscribe to the channel because it really takes a hell lot of efforts to make a video in the final year because of the time constraint that we have. So if you have subscribed, let's get into the video. Okay, so let's go in chronological order of the 5 key things which happened in the third year of MBBS. Okay, so the first thing is, wait, let me show you. Yes, so the first thing is this fat book, which is actually the book of community medicine written by K.Park. So this is actually the first book which I have studied throughout the 3 years of MBBS. I mean, I have not studied the entire book, like who can study, but I'm a kind of person who used to rely on class notes, on the videos, and the exam mein pass karne wala books. But this is the first book wherein I have studied a bit of the portions. Like, yes, I've studied epidemiology, occupational diseases, the health tier system of India, etc. etc. So, sitting down with a book for a person like me, and that too such a fat book, was something which I think it was really key event in the third year of MBBS. Next, I would say that in third year, you don't have a lot of pressure. So the organizers of the various events of college are usually the third year students. So basically in our college, IPGMER and SSKM Hospital, we have 2 fests. So I organized 2 events, one for Perizia and one for Crux. The Perizia event was Anatolis, and the Crux May we had organized Izhar, which was the open mic event. Yes, we had organized the freshers party for the juniors when we were in second year, but that was on a smaller scale. But Perizia and Crux, it gives you a lot of experiences. मतलब event manager वाली feeling आ गई थी, आप सच में बता रही हूँ. The third key thing which happened in third year of MBBS was I and one of my friends from the batch, we had participated in a community medicine quiz. Basically, it was a quiz on public health, and we emerged the winners of that state level quiz, and it was really a proud moment and a good experience for both of us. Okay, so the fourth thing which happened in third year is a collection of the firsts. Like, I had experienced a lot of firsts in my third year. For example, participating in a class assistantship exam for the first time and realizing कि मुझे कुछ नहीं आता है. Participating in dance competition for the first time, that too in a different college. And then realizing that I really have to work upon my dancing skills. There are some things which are part of the curriculum, like watching an autopsy for the first time. मतलब कुछ अलग नहीं है. आप अपने नाके के मीट चॉप वाले दुकान में जाओगे, वैसे ही जैसे काटते हैं ना एनिमल्स को, वैसे ही काटते हैं ऑटोप्सी में पोस्टमार्टम एग्जामिनेशन के लिए. So watching autopsy for the first time was also a good experience. Then I had written a research proposal for the first time. So मुझे research में बहुत interest है. So I participated in the ICMR STS research program. So the results haven't come out yet. If it comes out, I will definitely share that with you. So participating in that. Watching a cataract operation for the first time. Like, there's so many people in my house who have undergone cataract operation, so watching that live was something really lively for me. So yeah, like I said, there are many things which happened for the first time with me in third year of MBBS, and all those moments are really to be cherished, and they will have an everlasting experience in my mind. And yeah, so the final thing which I would say which was a key moment in third year was passing third year, because it is a subject which is called as forensic medicine and toxicology, and it is so toxic that I can't tell you how much toxic it is. Like since the day I've given my theory exam and practical exam, I had been in trauma and always wondering if I would pass in that subject. I would, if you are a junior or if someone who will be entering medical college, please don't neglect that subject. I know your seniors or your batchmates will also neglect it. Like that is what I have been doing. But the trauma जो मैं गुजरी थी कि मैं पास करूँगी या नहीं was very bitter. So finally I passed third year MBBS with good marks, and finally I'm a final year medical student. So इससे बड़ा key moment और कुछ नहीं हो. Now I would like to tell you what I learned from third year. So I would divide it into two parts, academic and non-academic. Under academic part, I believe that final year is huge. Okay, so I have realized this thing that you cannot study everything in final year. It's impossible to complete, and there's so many books. Some seniors suggest you some books, some teachers suggest you some books. What I've learned or what I would be doing in final year is that integrating all the subjects which I have learned so far, because you know, medicine, which is an amalgamation of anatomy, physiology, pharmacology, pathology, then surgery has a major portion of anatomy in it. Obs, gynae and pediatrics, like obs gynae is a different subject, but as it is a clinical subject and we have faced eye and ENT in the third year, that clinical exposure might be helpful. That would be a thing which I will try to do in my final year of MBBS, that is integrating the knowledge that I have gained and utilizing them in final year. And the non-academic thing which I learned in third year was that, you know, I've always been an empathetic individual जो पहले दूसरों के बारे में सोचता है and then अपने बारे में. But now, as there is time constraint in final year, I've realized that I have to do things which I feel is right for me, and maybe act to situations in a more matured way. So yeah, this was how my third year of MBBS was. Looking forward to final year, which I know will be hectic, but I assume and I will try to make the best out of my final year. So if you like the video, as it is said, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.